to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to add cinematic effects in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add cinematic effects in CapCut, all you gotta do is simply open CapCut. Now once you open your CapCut, you need to use a combination of aspect ratios changes like 21:9, cinematic filters, and simply precise your color grading. So once you have done this, you can simply use like different kind of color grading options like contrast, saturation, brightness, and you can also do the keyframe based motion, that is zoom and pan, and you can simply speed ramp, and atmospheric elements like film grain or specific sound effects can be added, with black bars often added using the mask tool or effects. So this way you can simply add cinematic effects in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.